This is Zara from Sajad Zara Makeup by Zara, and welcome back to my channel. And as I mentioned earlier on my social media, I would be doing a video using this beautiful little palette which my sister got me from her vacation. It's a Turkish brand named FLORMAR, and this is how the eyeshadow palette looks from the inside. Isn't it so pretty? And the best thing I like about this palette is that the variety of shades it has, from the lighter ones to the neutrals and towards the darker shades, is very amazing and pocket friendly to keep inside your bag, and has a variety to make any sort of look, from a day look to night look. So let's get started with our makeup look with this beautiful little FLORMAR's eyeshadow palette. The name of this palette is 01 Natural Love Edition. Let's get started. Now this beautiful little palette does not come with a proper eyeshadow brush, but with this applicator brush which you cannot do much with. So I would be using my Morphe eyeshadow brush and would be taking this neutral color for my crease. Next off would be taking this pinkish color and blending it up in the crease. As you can see, the pigment of the shades is extremely beautiful. Very effortlessly it is blending onto the crease. Up till now, the two shades that I've picked, and has a very minimum or almost no fallout. So the formula seems like really good. Next off would be taking this deep brown color on the very tip of this brush, dusting the excess off and deepening the crease. Now for my lid, I would be taking this ivory shimmery shade over here on my damp applicator brush. Taking the same brush again, taking this deep brown color, stamping it onto the corner of my eye. Now for the brow bone, I would be taking this light gold shimmery color and blending it in. Taking the same color, mixing it a little bit with this color, dabbing off the extra and taking it onto the inner corner of my eye. Now using the bullet smudge brush again, would be taking this neutral brown and blending it all over the lower lash line. Now taking this angled liner brush, taking this darker brown color, damping a little and tracing it on the lower lash line. for the eyeliner, I would be using this Krylon's Aqua Cake Liner in jet black. Now after the eyeliner, whatever product is left on this eyeliner brush, I would be taking it and drawing a very fine line underneath my lower lash line. Now taking the bullet smudger brush and blending the line I just created. Now for the waterline, I would be using NYX Jumbo Crayon Pencil in the color Milk. And for the mascara, I would be taking this Maybelline's Colossal Volume Express in jet black. Ta-da! Now we're done with the eye makeup, and for blush on I would be using this Maybelline's Pure Mineral brush, color Topaz Rose. Now a lot of you have been asking me that why do I keep my blush on brush inside the packing and I don't take this off, because the shape of the blush on brush stays intact and gives a very flawless result because of me using the cover. Such a beautiful doll pink color this is. Now for the highlighter, I would be using this Wet n Wild's Mega Glow highlighter palette, and the shade I would be using is Diamond Lily. Last but not the least would be finishing this makeup look with this MAC shade Snob. Now to give a dewy effect on my lips, I would be taking the same highlighter that I used on my cheeks, a little bit on the tip of my finger as you can see, and damping it on the center of my lips. And damping it on the center of my lips. And we're done. Ta-da! So with the completion of this look, we are at the end of this YouTube video. Do let me know how did you find this look in the comment section below. Any of the steps that I have done off camera, for example my foundation, my brows, that would be mentioned in the description box down below. So if anything that you want to know other than the products that I showed on camera, you can always go to the description box down below and take a look. So last but not the least, for all those of you who were asking me whether to buy this palette or whether it is a good buy or not, this is an extremely good buy, extremely reasonable, local Turkish brand. I think a few products are available in Pakistan as well, but not the full range. So anybody who's going to Turkey, FLORMAR is a very good brand to try on. They have various palettes on their website from which you can order too. One more good news for you guys. I would be regularly doing my YouTube videos on weekly basis now, reviews, makeup tutorials, and much more. So stay tuned for that. And just like always, do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Sajad Zara Makeup by Zara for exciting YouTube makeup tutorials, product reviews, and much more. Till then, take care. See you. Ciao ciao.